Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 21 of the Adobe XD tutorial series. So today we are going to do is we're going to work with masking. So for that I'm going to import a picture right here. So let me import a picture and let me just create a shape for that because I want the picture to be imported over here. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto my drive over here and onto my tutorial folder inside my pictures right here, and there you go, just drag this out over here. Alright, so if I want to mask my shape, what I can do is I can draw a shape on top of it just like this, and then select both of the shape, right click and do mask with shape, and you can see that this actually masks out the shape. If you were to double click this, I can move around the shape and then realign my mask just like that. So if I want to remove the mask over here, just select the mask and delete it out over here, and you can see that the mask is removed. I can also use my circular tool, just drag this out over here, drag both of them and do mask with shape, and you can see that that creates a circular mask just like that. And you can actually rearrange the position of the picture just like that. Alright. And then what you can do is you can also go drag a pen tool and you can actually create custom shape just like this. Alright, so create a custom shape over here, and there you go. Now you can turn this into a mask as well. So you can right click, and then I guess like the shape is not closed as I forgot to close the last shape right here. Alright, so you can see that I can close the shape in just like this. Alright, so let me just get this out and create a new one over here. I have to close in the shape if I want to make a mask. So let's create a star-like shape just like this. Close the shape. Alright, and then now I can mask with shape. Seems like this shape is not closed yet. Alright, so it seems like this shape is not closed over here. Now what I can do is I can use a fill color. Alright, so it seems like the shape is closed, and now alright, so I guess this the shape is still not closed yet, so let me just redo that again. Alright, so the shape has to be closed, so let me just drag in a shape right here and then just click on the last point for it to close. Alright, so that's it. Alright, so click on the last point for it to close, and the shape is closed. Now you can select it, right click, and you can actually see this, drag it out over here, and then over here what you can do is, alright, let me just use the fill color right here. So let me just select this out because the mask is not being appeared at all over here. So let me just select this out, use the fill color. Okay, so select all of these, right click, and there you go, mask with shape. So you can see that the shape has to be closed, and you can see that you can also create custom masks just like that. So that is how you can use masking inside of Adobe XD. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.